What are you trying to say? You're the con.
You trying to disrespect me?
Did you just say?
You gonna ask questions? Like, wait a second now.
Alright then.
You get stabbed in the trachea real quick, like it happens.
Hmm.
No one expects it.
That's
Comes
true.
out of nowhere, real quick.
Yeah, that's true.
Technically speaking, more than likely I have some of Genghis Khan's DNA.
Most likely everybody does.
Yeah, exactly. So, I am the Khan. You sip your dark molasses.
Did you say my dark molasses?
Yes.
What's molasses?
Syrup.
Oh, okay. Why'd you say you sip your syrup?
Because molasses sounds better.
It does. It does sound better.
And I'm sophisticated.
I ain't never fucking heard anybody use that word.
Caveman.
Jesus Christ.
What?
Yeah.
They have normal syrup, then they actually have molasses syrup, which is really thick and sugary. And since I'm assuming you're drinking a full sugar soda,
I'm drinking
it's
a
molasses.
Dr.
Full sugar, ain't it?
I'm drinking something.
Yes.
Let's go with this. Oh, I managed to get in.
Oh, nice. I'm glad, because, you know.
Oh, there's only there's 5 of us in here, but there's only me. Why is my fucking connection so bad? It was at 386.
I only have 2 mags. And a pistol.
I got 3 mags. I got.
Oh, why's my ping getting up there now for a second? That's bad.
Yeah, I got a pistol.
You need a better router, is your problem. You can't be using the fucking company's router, it sucks ass. I got my Wi-Fi 6 router for like $100. It's fast as shit.
Yeah, fucking 816.
On the back of it for no reason. Oh, he's gone. He froze up. Oh, man. He froze.
I'm up.
The game's getting horrible. Oh no. It's always on this fucking map. Why? Oh. You know what? Why am I out here? I have a.
To be honest with you, I don't know why you're out there.
I only have 2 I'm glad I closed that door. I ran out of ammo, so I ran out there. Into a flashbang. I went to pick up a gun, but I couldn't pick up a gun. I picked up a flashbang, and I used it.
I shot him. Okay, I'm gonna need. I need a different class.
Hairs just curling into my nose and tickling.
What the?
There was nobody there when you shot on my screen. Yeah. There's a suicide bomber beside you to the right.
Why the fuck am I outside?
You wouldn't.
I need a different class.
He was on my screen for the longest time.
What?
Oh boy.
Hey, does anyone else have like super low supply points?
Yeah, we
Yeah,
all
that's
do,
that.
You didn't look at the game mode you picked?
Nope. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
Oh, okay. That makes sense. This is like survival. The longer you live, the more points you get.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Damn it. This fucking lag. Could it be because I'm uploading a video? Could that be it?
Yeah, I figured. Probably. Yeah, probably. You're always uploading a video. It's horrible.
Yeah. I heard videos out there. Come on now. What class are you?
Gunner.
Alright.
Really not a good class, to be honest, because one thing I do right now is have a pistol with no...
No, you have a glue.
Somebody do a Molotov at me. Yeah, but no flashlight on it if I do.
Yeah, well, currently all I have is a pistol.
And it's pretty fucking dark, so...
What? I'm zooming about.
Why are they all over here? What the fuck?
Did I get that kill? I don't know. Whoa! That's fire! Where am I? I need a gun. I need a gun. I need a gun. I got a gun. Ah! You have a shotgun? Oh.
I picked it up, yes.
Okay, is there an enemy on your right at the door?
There's fire there. Oh, you keep running into shit from me.
I'm not moving right now. Okay, so there was a fucking enemy there just shooting in the sky, right? Or was he shooting at me? Am I just gonna be dead?
Maybe.
Fucking 600, 800, 1,020 ping.
He waited that long to catch on fire. He's fucking insane.
It was. It was. I'll go with AKS if I can. Extended mag. With that and resupply.
Is my fucking FOV different or something? What the fuck is going on? Everything looks weird in this game.
No, we use different games now. What do you mean?
Is my resolution? Oh, it looks odd. Hold up. Resolution might be different.
It's kind
I don't know, it's a little weird.
of okay. I got 3 mags.
We're it.
You can just say you're it, cause you know I got 1,020 connection here. I just reloaded twice. Oh, you good?
Teleported in front of me. The fuck?
Yeah. Doorway. There's 2 people. I've hit them, but they don't die. Okay, I didn't reload. Okay, I reloaded.
That's some weird looking gameplay. Behind you, too.
What? When did I die?
There was like 50 people looking at you. What do you mean? When did you die?
When did on
Did you
my
not see all those people?
on my screen? I never died. I ran away on my screen, and then it just popped us
now
up
I turn
here.
around and fucking obliterated you like RoboCop. Like Jesus Christ.
Oh, this can be a good video. Jesus.
Maybe we can't be playing this.
No, that's fine. That's fine.
That shit was crazy. That shit be wild. That side, I think I would have done better, but oh well. Excuses.
Still got 3 minutes. Okay. I'm gonna go to a certain room. Hopefully y'all don't hopefully you don't die.
Might throw a grenade at me.
Here, it's fine.
So I'm probably gonna die.
Who keeps opening and shutting this door? Damn it.
They keep opening it.
Well, who's shutting it?
Me.
How are you
You
shutting
don't
it?
see me standing in front of it?
No!
Okay. That man beside you just fucking did he explode?
I'm not even fucking lagging right now, and I don't see you at all. You're invisible.
Give me a second. You don't see me here. You don't see me right here.
No.
I'm inside of you.
You're gonna see me on my. You're gonna see you on my screen if you watch this fucking video. Oh, God, I almost shot a teammate. Fuck! Why are you invisible?
I'm not invisible. You're just retarded. Can't use your eyes. What you want from a man? Try. You can't even see me.
I got a flashlight now. Are you? Who's at the box?
Uh-oh. Me and this guy. I didn't go to the box though. I just ran over here after I shot you.
I don't see you.
Y'all hit him. You can go to the box without doing anything.
I don't even hear you in team when you speak. Oh, this
I'm
game.
glad you just don't exist. You're in the fucking 5th dimension.
Hey, my connection's 80 right now. 76. 84. 80. Alright. Fucking, I'm gaming now.
Yeah. my connection's, well, it was 104, but now it's 56.
Mine's 104. Mad villain. Are you still in front of the door?
Yes.
Okay. Like on the when the door opens, you're facing the back side of it, right?
I am not.
Okay, so you stand directly in front of it. Like, I see the other teammates. I see them. I do not see you. Oh god, there goes that door.
That was your grenade.
I'm getting back in the corner now. Where you at? Can you stand where I shot? Right.
What? Get your ass, nigga. Try again.
Are you right there where I shot?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't do no team damage to you, because you were literally not there for me.
That's insane.
So I can shoot through you without either of us dying. I like this.
That's kind of weird. I don't know if I like that or not.
I like it.
Of course you do, you weird ass.
Yep, we're good now. Alright, now I can have this on full auto. I got the drum mag. Nope. You're not on this game for me. Okay? You are completely non-existent. But you shot me and it did damage, so pretty sure if you stab me, I'll do. What? Are you stabbing me?
No. I'm stabbing around you.
Okay, I was about to say. I'm gonna try something here. Well, nope. Maybe not a running chocolate thing here.
Trying to shit when the game's going. Try shit after. Ah!
Where the fuck did that person come from?
Run through the door real fast as shit, boy. I'm fast as fuck.
I got the left side of the door.
Looking at how fast he was.
Oh. Yep.
The invisible man saved your life, bitch. Try again.
What? What? I think I'm so laggy right now.
Loading.
Okay, I don't know where you're at, so you saying loading means nothing to me.
You let me die. I'm ashamed of you.
Die by who?
Bad time to reload.
I don't know what you're talking about. That was good timing. Jesus Christ. Only if I could reload faster. Crouch. He should have crouched. He wouldn't even get touched.
That's a grenade.
He has a 2-point weapon, but only a flashlight. What did he use his points on?
Grenade or something, I guess.
It doesn't.
I think it clicks too fucking much.
Yeah, I don't think he does have extended mags. Now who regular mags are like that too?
Grenade, motherfucker.
Don't walk out.
Go off.
Alright. I know what I'm doing.
Where the fuck are we? Oh.
You in your same original spot over there in the corner. Oh, I see you now. Oh, your mutton chops looking good over there.
Back on, man. Now you don't see me.
Did you just run?
No, I'm over here still.
I see you laying down. Okay. I was gonna say, what the fuck?
I'm cheating. No, I'm not cheating this game. I'm cheating everything else. No first person shooters though.
I was about to say, we cheat on single player games.
And I would actually play better if I was cheating.
Yeah. Even while lagging, I'd still have 0 deaths.
A lot of fire and explosions.
Yeah, something that outside that door, the van just exploded.
I seen a man on fire fly by the door. That was crazy.
Yeah, I haven't seen that.
I think he got caught in an explosion. Put a nice red dot sight for my pistol I might pick up pretty soon.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's a copy of a hollow sign. I gotta reload.
I reloaded.
Loading again. I don't have jump mags yet. I got banana mags. Oh, what the fuck? Whew. He came from the left. Oh, it's just us two. Okay, that's fine.
What? Ow! Ow!
You got the, I gotta reload. You get the door.
Hey, I can't believe you shot through this. First time I managed to get shot right there. Just some voodoo shit going on right there.
There was nobody there.
Huh?
Nobody at all.
I don't know. Tracers. Alright, I figured now.
What gun you got?
Alpha AK.
Oh.
Yeah. I think you're gonna like the base upgrades for Enshrouded.
We do. I had to play that.
Yeah, I got I built rooms for the NPCs. I haven't actually done nothing with them yet though.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah. Special shot teammate.
Yep.
You just gonna stay in the way? Cheers, man. I mean, I'll let you die. I don't have a problem with that.
I've seen a lot of people hide in that corner. You're probably gonna die. Motherfucker's trying to crawl. Fuck him.
Yeah, they do
What the
that.
hell? I know, I just forgot. I was like, what the fuck is that moving? And I see a guy's head poking out of the other guy's ass. I'm like, oh.
I'm about to have to reload.
Go for it.
Oh, I'm good. Use an SKS.
No, that's somebody back to my right.
Okay. Ah. No. Yeah,
Y'all
people
can hit M to go to the box if I actually point in the box.
hit M. It's quicker
Just let
than
me know.
running to the box.
I don't think they can hear you.
That man also
think
has
they
an
can
Alpha AK. Okay.
Fancy him. Fancy
You
him.
shoot him in the head using my gun. And helmet. Except he has a sight. I do not. This gun doesn't need a sight at all.
I know either really, but I got one.
What gun you got?
RPK.
I don't know. That gun don't need no sight.
He tripped and fell into my bullet after you shot him in the knee.
Oh no, people. See, the thing is, I was uploading the boulder skate video.
Yeah.
And fucking, I was cleaning in here, and I unplugged the fucking computer.
Oh.
I didn't notice until about an hour ago that it wasn't actually uploading. I completely forgot about it. And
Why'd you unplug your computer?
I was cleaning. I messed with one of the cords to pick them up to clean up under it, and boom, it just unplugged it. So. Yeah. So I have to basically re-upload that. Reloading. It's me, you, and another guy.
Oh, somehow I caught that guy on the flick to the right. That was a good fucking shot.
Hmm.
Indeed. Let this cat out right quick. Just gonna get a bitch and cry.
Let her out then. Jeez, huh?
So we'll back in 5 minutes.
Yeah.
We'll get you.
That's reasonable, I guess. You know.
Not reasonable at all. Unreasonable at best.
More people's getting piled up in this room. All it's gonna take is one suicide, and all three of you are gonna die. So
Hit the fucking M button. Oh, damn it, that'd be nice. You a bitch.
What?
Oh, I'm obviously white.
You hear people talking?
See how entitled I am? You obviously, I'm white.
Oh, god damn it.
White as fuck, boy.
I thought 2 shots would have killed him. He didn't look heavy on him. Ah, shit, I'm not gonna get apparently.
You can report him, I guess, since you have video evidence of that, but I don't know.
The
That was
fuck?
really racist.
Don't expect to hear anything on my end of you talking, to be honest with you. I don't hear anybody talking. And apparently my voice don't count for you know what? Just kind of loading people now. Reloading.
Yeah, maybe it's unreasonable, but there's 4 people watching the same door. I feel like we should have to kill anybody.
Yeah.
I feel like me and you are more weight than everybody else. I'm shooting people that's running past the door. And people you shoot because they move into the door frame after they're dying, and I shoot them again. That guy, I gotta reload.
I just watched a man die and then someone else
Yeah.
teleport inside him. Continue moving. Alright.
Yeah, that happens. Yeah. I told you I killed a guy and somebody else popped out of him and killed me. I was like, what the fuck?
I got a half a mag. Reloading. Bad time to reload right there, Jesus.
I always stop right there, so there's my aim there. I saw his fucking foot.
I literally let that man walk in. I was looking at the time. Reloading.
Go outside. How the fuck did he die?
Who the fuck shooting a pistol? Reloading. Motherfucker's just laying down. Alright, we got that. Yeah. Yeah, good shit, good shit. Good shit. Good round. Good round.
Yeah. GG, except for everybody for the racist. Fuck that guy.
Don't know who the racist is, but fuck you. Who is it?
Chicken bake.
Chicken bake. Fuck you.
Did the hard R out of nowhere.
Based. What? What do you mean based?
Like all that guy based.
Well. Alright.
I hope anyway. I don't know.
Well, that's gonna be that for this video.